Let's see how to create an Instagram AI chatbot from scratch. So here I'm in a demo account, and as you can see here, we have connected all other channels except Instagram. So if you want to connect your Instagram account on our platform, it's very simple. You have to go to channels, or you can click on here, or you can either go to the settings over here. So let me click on settings, and in settings you have to go to channels, and you have to locate the Instagram and click connect. So before even you connect your Instagram account on our platform, you have to make sure your Instagram is actually connected with the Facebook page, because Meta actually allows any sort of Instagram automations through the Messenger API. So that's why your Instagram should be connected to a Facebook page to build any sort of automations on your Instagram account. So here we have a demo Facebook page account over here, and if we go to the, let me click on switch now over here and show you how to connect your Instagram account with a Facebook page. So let me show that right here. So you have to actually go to the Facebook page settings over here. So click on settings, and in settings you have to scroll down and locate the linked accounts over here. So let me click on linked accounts, and here you can go to the Instagram and connect your Instagram account over here. So here we have already connected test chatting media with this particular Facebook page, and you have to make sure allow access to Instagram messages inbox is switched on as well. That's it. So once your Instagram and Facebook are connected, you can easily connect it on our platform to build any sort of chatbot automations. So let me click on connect over here. It will take you directly to this particular Facebook page window, where you will actually provide permissions to our app. So once I click on reconnect, you will see this particular account right here. So let me click on connect over here, and that's it. That will actually connect your test chatting media Instagram account on our platform. So let me show that. As you see, test chatting media is already connected on our platform. So from now onwards, whatever the DMs or messages you get on your Instagram can be easily tracked through this omnichannel inbox. So not just Instagram. Since we have connected all these channels, whatever the DMs you get on Facebook or Telegram, or even whatever the SMS you get over here, you can easily track on this omnichannel inbox right here. So let me show that. So let me share my phone screen over here, and let me simply send a message over here. So let me say hey, and let's see what happens. So now if I go to this omnichannel inbox, we should see that particular message we just sent right here. So I sent as hey over here. So let me go to the inbox, and as you see, we just received this message from this particular person on Instagram. So likewise, you can, as I mentioned earlier, you can actually track conversation from other channels, for example SMS, web chat, Telegram, and even from the Facebook as well. So now let's see how to build an AI chatbot on your Instagram using our free templates. It's pretty simple. So you have to actually go to the flows section over here. So let me go to the flows, and in flows you have the folder called as all free templates, where you can actually locate all the free templates offered with your account. So let me go to that particular folder over here, and here you can find this AI chatbot lead generation plus customer support template. Simple as that. So what you can do is, if you want to keep this original template as it is, it's better to duplicate these templates right here and use it or customize it according to your own needs, and also you will have the original templates as well. So let me do it like that. Click on duplicate over here. So now this particular template is duplicate over here. So let's say we are planning to build an AI chatbot for a plumbing company. So first of all, you have to actually gather all the business information about a particular business, such as introduction, what sort of services do you provide, maybe pricing information, and also some frequently asked question along with the contact information. So here we have some information about a plumbing company named as Swift Flow Plumbing Solutions. So we are actually going to use this information for our AI chatbot on the Instagram channel right here. So let me show how to do that. So let me actually rename this particular flow as this particular company name right here. So let me click on rename over here and paste it. Simple as that. And let's say IG bot and click continue. Alright, so now let me simply open this particular flow we just duplicated over here, and here you will need to, you already have instructions on how to use these free templates right here. You can actually go through this one as well. So here let me actually first duplicate the business information we have right here. So currently we have some information about a Smile Center for Kids. So this is just an demo and example business knowledge information just for the reference, but we can easily duplicate this information with the plumbing company right here. So let me copy all these information right here. All right, so let me copy this information and simply replace that information right here. So let me delete this one and paste it. All right, and now let me click on continue over here. All right, and publish this one. So now we have simply updated this particular business information. We have one more step left over here. We want to switch this particular flow as the default reply flow. For that, you have to go to the settings once again. So let me go to the settings over here, and in default reply, choose this particular flow we just created. Save it. That's it. From now onwards, you can see the AI chatbot actually works on all these connected channels, including the Instagram right here. So let me show how this actually works as well. So let me show my phone screen again. All right, so let me actually go to the particular flow as well, so that we can actually see all the business information we have right here. All right, so here this is the business information we have right here, and let me share my phone screen as well. All right, so now let me send a message on Instagram and let me ask this question. Do you offer pipe replacement and how much is it? So I'm actually sending a voice note over here asking about pipe replacement and the cost as well. Let's see what sort of response we actually receive right here. And it says, yes, we offer pipe replacement services and the cost starts at 500, but it may vary based on the complexity and materials required. Simple as that. So here, pipe replacement, as you can see, it actually starts at 500. So likewise, you can also ask a question about the areas they serve as well. So I'm wondering if you serve in California. And here we receive the response saying, yes, we serve several areas in California, including these are the areas they actually mentioned. So as you can see here in these two examples, I actually sent the voice notes. So let me actually send a text message as well and see how this actually respond to us as well. I'm wondering if you're actually offering any sort of warranties for your works. So let me send this message and see what happens over here. And it simply says, yes, all our repairs come with a 90-day warranty and installations have 1-year warranty as well. And this also works with the lead generation capabilities as well. For example, if they actually request for any sort of discounts, then it simply automatically collect a particular customer's name, email and phone number. So let me show that as well. So I'm wondering if you can offer any sort of discounts for me. So let me send this message and see how this actually respond to us. We offer exclusive discounts and updates through our VIP list. Please provide your full name, email and phone number to sign up and receive these offers. Simple as that. So it simply requests customers to provide these details to get the VIP discounts offer, and where it simply handles the AI lead generation as well. So let me provide my name over here. Sure, my name is so here let me provide my name as Robert Mark, and let me say Robert Mark at gmail.com. So here let me provide my name and email only, and let's see what happens. It also asks for the phone number because all these details are required to sign up. So it says, please provide your phone number to complete the sign up for our VIP list and over. So let me say, sure, my phone number is 917-243-5600. So here I just send the phone number right here, and let's see what happens. So it should say you have been signed up for the VIP list. Simple as that. So now if I go to the inbox, so let me show all the conversation happened right here, and let me actually refresh this inbox page over here and show you. So now we should see all the details. So I provide the name as Robert Mark and the email this one and the phone number is this one. Simple as that. All these details are updated in the customer profiles as well. So you can actually use all these details such as email to send any sort of email marketing campaigns within our platform, and for the phone number to send any sort of SMS marketing campaign within our platform as well. And here you have the option to send SMS as well, just an SMS to this particular number as well. Simple as that. And this has the capability to automatically transfer the conversation to the human agent as well. So now if you see, it says bot is active over here. So if a particular customer's intent is to talk with a human, then this will simply transfer the conversation to the human folder right here, and from there an agent can simply jump in and talk with those customers as well. So now let me show how this actually works over here. So let me share my phone screen and let me say, can you please connect me with an agent over here? So I just simply ask, can you please connect with an agent, and it simply says I have connected with an agent and they will assist you shortly. And as you see, the bot is active is already gone. And now if I go to the human folder, we should see that conversation right here. And if I go to the bot folder, we don't see that conversation anymore right here. Simple as that. So now if a particular customer send any sort of messages over here, they won't receive any sort of messages from the bot. So let me say, hey, hello, how are you? They won't receive any sort of messages from the bot because currently the bot is paused, and a human agent has to answer to this particular customer either from the Instagram app, or they can easily use this omnichannel inbox to answer them as well. So let me simply send a response over here. So let me simply send an emoji right here. So I am sending an emoji as a human agent, and as you see, customer will receive it right here. Simple as that. And a human agent can simply transfer this conversation back to the bot as well. From there the chatbot will handle the conversation easily. So now if I go to the bot folder, we should see the conversation right here. So that's how it works. If you have any questions regarding the Instagram AI chatbot, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.